Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this crochet mesh hat or bunny, not completely bunny. It's an accessory for summer. It's so famous and it's so simple to make. You can do that easily. Only one row repeating and so fast crocheting. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy and so excited about my new subscribers. Thanks a lot for your support. I made here peacocks and the different one I made these flowers. You can make different things on your hat. It's all of yours. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple crochet mesh hat. Let's start crochet. I will use on my mesh hat, mesh penny, yarn art jeans, and this ball is 50 grams and we will use nearly 25-30 grams. And this yarn 45% of acrylic, 55% of cotton, and this is 50 gram. I told you it's equal to 160 meters, 174 yards. This color number is 85, and you can wash it in 30 degrees, low degree ironing. You can make it and you can do that a lot of things with this yarn. And I will use 3.5 millimeter hook with this yarn. First of all, we will start with magic ring. I made a magic ring so simple. Make a circle like that. Hold both yarns. Grab your yarn and chain 2. Not count it, okay. Then yarn over, insert that hole. Don't let them go, these yarns. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert that hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Don't leave these yarns, hold them and complete these double crochets, totally 16. I made 3, 4, I made totally 16 double crochet. Then pull that yarn tightly and close this hole. I insert the top of, not count this chain 2, you know, insert the first double crochet stop. Then grab both yarns and lock the top of your head. Okay. Here. And make here slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains. Insert into the next stitch, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, insert into the next and make single crochet. This is the first round. We will make 6 chains and insert into the next stitch. Okay. Actually, that's the same pattern always you will repeat. I will show you how you can repeat it. I complete this round, make 6 chains and join with the next stitch. I prepare it, then turn to you. I made 15 6 chains, join with a single crochet. This is the last one, last 6 chain space. On the last space you will make 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the first stitch again here, grab your yarn, join with a double crochet, pull through to pull through. So you can start from the last space again. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can make a marker, put a marker here, and join with a next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join into the next space. That's it. I come to end. I complete the 15 spaces again. This is my last space. So not make 6 chains. I will make 3 chains, yarn over. Look at this. Not insert here. Insert this stitch and join with a double crochet. So you can start a new space again. We will repeat it nearly. I will show you. I repeated totally 16 rounds. Complete it, then turn to you and tell you how many rounds I repeated and how much centimeter. Okay, I complete mine and turn to you. I crochet 20 rounds. If you want to make it more bigger, you can use I use here 3.5 millimeter hook. You can use 4 millimeter hook. Okay, you can change your hook. When you come to the end of your round, you will finish it here. I will complete this round. I come to the end of the round, and you can see this is my last space here. 3 chains, you see. Actually, if you keep crocheting, you will make 3 chains, then join with a double crochet, but I want to finish this round, so I will make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then insert into this stitch again and join with a slip stitch and complete the round like that. Now we have 6 chains here. I will make 1, 2, make the third one, then 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains, and find the bottom loops and make slip stitch, then add here 2 more single crochet, and in the stitch 1 more single crochet, 1, 2, and this is the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn back to the bottom loops, grab your yarn, make slip stitch, then make 2 more single crochet in the space and make 1 in stitch. I will turn all around, come to end and turn to you. You can adapt it which type you want. For example, I made here little flowers, or you can make leaves or tassels, or you can leave it like that. Okay, I complete it and turn to you. Come to end, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. Then hide this tail. And that's it. It's all ready. You can do that easily in a few hours. You can make it and you can use it. It's the so famous in this will be so famous in this summer. Hope you like and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.